Hey guys, he's here again. I've got him for you. It's just...
Hello, what's your name? Would you like to have a go?
I got him out for you again, guys. Well, he's already been out, but... I thought I'd do a video for you, like always. Tomorrow's the last day for the school because I've got a week off next week. So there'll be videos every day and pretty much every either 8 or 10 o'clock at night. But yeah, he's here again. And just, I've got to tell you some news. I finally thought of the ride that I might want to get to go with Tron. Now I know this might sound a bit silly. I know I did say that
For further information about our rides, call
Northern Leisure on 0113 239 3883. Right, I'll try again. I finally thought of the ride that I want to get with Train. Now I know I did say I want to get a Northern Leisure ride, but I'm thinking of an OMC electronics ride. And now I know Train has pretty much the same announcements as OMC Electronics. Well, OMC Electronics have got the same announcements as Northern Leisure, but it just isn't OMC Electronics instead of Northern Leisure. Now the OMC ride that I was thinking of getting, and I know I'll be able to get in it straight away because it's that small. Well, not that small, but it's big, it's small enough. I was thinking of the OMC Electronics Rosie and Jim. Now, I've never ever filmed a Rosie and Jim before. I've never ever. I've been on one at Weymouth years ago.
ride we accept
10p, 20p, 50p, and £1 coins in any order. Change is not given. Yeah, I think I'm getting Rosie and Jim because I've been on it at Weymouth before, at Fancy Island in Weymouth, but I've not actually filmed it. And I'm thinking to get, because I do like Rosie and Jim. I like the show as well. I've watched it. It's good. But yeah. So that's the news. So there might be a bit of a change. There might be another change. It might not. But I'm going to keep looking. I did look at Bob the Builder. But thinking of this, it's going to be a bit too big for Bob in here. I mean, Train only just got in it. That's how much gap I've got to get through. And that much gap there to, watch it from there. I just had 3 goes on him before I started filming. Go on, have a go. Okay then. I know Train's eager for you to have a ride on him, so let's get £2 out. I think I've got them. I'm going to put £2.50 in. Just that I ain't got actual I've got 50s in Train, but yeah. I'm going to do it from this side.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hang on. Four rides, hang on.
Are you ready? Hold tight. Here we go.
Oh my god, his price has changed again. Yay! I've got 4 goes. He's winning. We take you the magic roundabout. He's winning. Wizard Joe, always all around. And I send this what to me. got 4 goes, guys. Yeah. You to share with you, but the death's running. Come on the magic roundabout, follow me and you'll be fine. So many friends waiting for you, just for you. Say no zen alone. Was your magic round you on? Waiting for you. Say no zen, it's for you. Come on the magic roundabout, follow me and you'll be fine. So many friends are waiting for you.
Don't forget,
I'll put you that way, guys,
you have
so you
more
can,
rides left.
you can see pretty much the screen and me. Actually, do it that way.
Press the... Are you ready? Hold tight. Here we go.
Thought it'd be handy, but I thought not. Let's press the buttons for you. Well, I wake up this morning. Only one so guys, alright, and this is Bang Rocket, whatever your name is. Roundabout.
Zebedee, Dougal, hello. You two, what do you like?
With a job a long ways all around, and I said that's what to live. Need to share with you, but the dance from them. Come on the magic roundabout, follow me and you'll be fine. So many friends waiting for you, just for you. Say no zen alone. Was your magic round you on? Waiting for you. Say no zen, it's for you.
Don't forget, you have more rides left. Are you ready? Hold tight. Here we go.
Who's winning? Who's winning? The magic roundabout. Who's winning? Over there. Always all around. I'm not saying that's what to me. It's a share with you, but the dance one. Come on the magic roundabout, follow me and you'll be fine. So many friends waiting for you, just for you. Say no zen alone. Was your magic round you on? Waiting for you. Say no zen, it's for you. Come on the magic roundabout, follow me and you'll be fine. So many friends waiting for you.
Don't forget, you have more rides left. Are you ready? Hold tight. Here we go.
It's winning, leaning the magic roundabout. It's winning, With a job I'll always all around. I'm not saying that that's what I mean. You to share with you, but that's one. Come on the magic roundabout, follow me and you'll be fine. So many friends waiting for you, just for you. Say Mosaic along, but the magic round you on, waiting for you. Say Mosaic, it's for you. Come on the magic roundabout, follow me and you'll be fine. So many friends waiting for you.
Hope to see you again soon. Have a nice day.
Well, I've just got to stop filming for a few minutes, but I'll start filming again in a bit, alright?
Oh yeah, you got hose around.
Hey guys, I'm back now. Sorry about that. I had to end the video because my sisters came in here, and you can hear them
What's
on
your name? Would you like to have a go?
You probably can hear them on the trampoline. They're on the trampoline at the minute. I'm not going on there because I'm with Troy. But yeah, I actually want to tell you something. Troy now, for now, I don't know if he's gone back to his usual. How many goes you have to put money in, but when I put £1 in now, he gives me 3 goes, and when I put £2, he gives me 7 goes. As you probably can see, his price there is £1 1 ride, £2 for 3 rides. Now apparently I've been told by Ethan that it's the current box what triggers the ride to hang on, girls, can you shut up? I'm videoing. But yeah, so what happens is, apparently, the current box, what makes train work, triggers the actual price
For
for the
further
train
information about our rides, call Northern Leisure
on 0113 239 3803. I've been told that it triggers triggers train to give you 3 rides for £1 when it's supposed to give you £2 for 3 rides. I don't really care about that, guys, because train's working. He's fine. I don't care if he's giving me extra goes. He's happy, and I'm happy. So, yeah. So, yeah. So I'll give you a few more goes now. That £1 on the seat, I was going to put in for my sister, but she didn't. She got off the first ride, so I had to have this other goes.
This ride will accept 10p, 20p, 50p and £1 coins. Thank you.
I think it's given 3. Yeah, 3. What? See?
Are you ready? Hold tight. Here we go.
Here's what needing. Reaching in the magic roundabout. Here's what needing. With a job I'll always all around. And that's what I mean. You to share with you, but that's one. Come on the magic roundabout, follow me and you'll be fine. So many friends waiting for you, just for you. Say no Zane alone, but your magic round you on, waiting for you. Say no Zane, it's for you. Come on the magic roundabout. Follow me and you'll be fine. So many friends waiting for you.
Don't forget, you have more rides left. Are you ready? Hold tight. Here we go.
Here's Winnie, Luigi, the magic roundabout. Here's Winnie, praise of Joe Powell, always all around. Brothers and brothers all together. Used to share with you, but the dance one. Come on the magic roundabout. Follow me and you'll be fine. So many friends waiting for you, just for you. Sing on them and sing along. With the magic round you on, waiting for you. Sing it's for you. Come on the magic roundabout. Follow me and you'll be fine. So many friends waiting for you.
Don't forget, you have more rides left. Are you ready? Hold tight. Here we go.
Here's Winnie, Luigi, the magic roundabout. Here's Winnie, Razor Joker, always all around. Oh, the sun, the used to share with you, but the just one. Come on the magic roundabout. Follow me and you'll be fine. So many friends waiting for you, just for you. Sing on and sing along. With the magic round you on, waiting for you. Sing and sing, it's for you. Come on the magic roundabout. Follow me and you'll be fine. So many friends waiting for you.
Hope to see you again soon. Have a nice day.
I just want to get 50p out, guys. I wanted to, because the 50p's always drop straight away. I want to hear it drop. Ow, the floor's hard. Yeah, everything's come back out now, guys, alright? I'm gonna put 50p in for you, alright? Well, I'll just get the money back out, alright? Oh, he's not accepting it. Where's the bloody close up?
Thank you.
See? Wait if they press start the message.
Press the start button
To start the ride.
Are you ready? Hold tight. Here we go.
Let's go out straight away. It's a magic roundabout. Where's the baby? Raise up your power, always all around. Us and the friends come together. It's a shame you, but don't ask why. friends waiting for you, just for you. Take one step and stay alone, as your magic round you on, waiting for you, some presents waiting for you. You'll get 4 goes to get milk toys. Come on the magic round and round, follow me and you'll be fun. So many friends to wait for you.
Hope to see you again soon. Have a nice day. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Are you ready? Hold tight. Here we go.
It's what they mean. It's a magic roundabout. Wheels of day, wheels of joy are always all around. And also let's work together. It's a share with you, but the best one. Come on the magic roundabout, follow me and you'll be fine. So many friends waiting for you, just for you. Sing on them and sing along, but there's a magic round you on, waiting for you. So many friends waiting for you. Come on the magic roundabout, follow me and you'll be fine. So many friends waiting for you.
Don't forget, you have more rides left. Are you ready? Hold tight. Here we go.
It's what they mean. Meeting you in the magic roundabout. It's what they mean. Ways of joy are always all around. And I still know this is what I need. You to share with you, but that's right. Come on the magic roundabout, follow me and you'll be fine. So many friends waiting for you, just for you. Sing on them and sing along, but there's a magic round you on, waiting for you. So many friends waiting for you. Come on the magic roundabout, follow me and you'll be fine. So many friends waiting for you.
Don't forget, you have more rides left. Are you ready? Hold tight. Here we go.
It's what they need. Blue genie, it's a magic roundabout. It's what they need. Ways of joy are always all around. And I say that this is what to me. It's a show with you, but that's right. Come Come on the magic roundabout. Follow me and you'll be fine. Waiting for you, just for you. Signals and we'll sing along. Put your magic round you on. Waiting for you. Signals and it's for you. Come on the magic roundabout. Follow me and you'll be fine. So many friends waiting for you.
Don't forget, you have more rides left. Are you ready? Hold tight. Here we go.
Let's go for a bit, alright? I have got another pound in my pocket, but I might as well leave that for it. Here's one evening. Really the magic roundabout. Here's one evening. Brings a joke always all around. And I said that's what I mean. Used to share with you, but the dance runner. Come on the magic roundabout. Follow me and you'll be fine. So many friends waiting for you, just for you. Signals and all sing along. With your magic round you on. Waiting for you. Signals and it's for you. Actually guys, I'll give you that other pound, alright? Might as well. Come on the magic roundabout. Follow me and you'll be fine. So many friends are waiting for you.
Hope to see you again soon. Have a nice day. Thank you. Are you ready? Hold tight. Here we go.
You can see the screen alright there guys. You can see me, that's for sure. Here's when reaching the magic roundabout. Here's the big raise up joy, always all around. All of us in that's not together. I need to share with you the dance floor. Come the magic roundabout. Follow me and we'll be fine. So many friends to go for you, just for you. Take my hand and say along. Where's the magic round you on? Waiting for you. So many friends, it's for you. I had to put it back there, guys.
Don't forget, you have more rides left. Are you ready? Hold tight. Here we go.
Bloody hell, that scared the life out of me. Here's Vanina. Regine, the magic roundabout. Here's Vanina. Brings out Joe. Actually, God, I'm gonna end the video after this, alright? That's what I mean. You to share with but the dance wanna. Come on the magic roundabout, follow me and you'll be fine. So many friends waiting for you, just for you. Signals and a zen alone, was your magic round you on, waiting for you. Signals and it's for you. Come on the magic roundabouts, follow me and you'll be fine. So many friends are waiting for you.
Don't forget,
Let's go now.
you have more rides left. Are you ready?
Hold tight. Here we
Here we
go.
go.
And I've got to get out of here, guys, in a minute. I'm absolutely sweating cobblers here. I'm boiling. Here's one in Regini, the magic roundabout. Here's one in Razor Joe, how long was all around. And I said that this was to me. Used to share with you, but the dance wanna. Come on the magic roundabout, follow me and you'll be fine. So many friends waiting for you, just for you. Signals and a zen alone, with your magic round you on, waiting for you. Signals and it's for you. On the magic roundabout, follow me and you'll be fine. So many friends waiting for you.
Hope to see you again soon. Have a nice day.
Here we go, guys. Oh, roast. I'm absolutely roasting. Right, guys, so that's it for tonight. You've had quite a few years on them already. So thanks for watching this video and I'll see you later. Bye, guys.
Go on, have a go.